Are you going to procession?
Yes, I am going to procession.
Whose wedding are you going?
I am I am going to wedding my uncle.
My uncle, मैं अंकल की शादी में जा रहा हूँ। गुड। मैं पूछा बारात जाओगे? जा रहे हो? हाँ मैं बारात जा रहा हूँ। किसके बारात जा रहे हो? तो मैं अंकल के बारात जा रहा हूँ। ओके। When will you return from procession? बारात से कब वापस आओगे?
I will return from procession at 11
ओके 11 o'clock
11
PM 11 बजे दिन में आ जाओगे। PM मैं 11 बजे रात को वापस आऊंगा। हाँ कई लोग रात को ही बारात से वापस चले आते हैं। गुड। ओके। हैव यू वाटर? पानी रखे हो?
Yes, I have water.
I have water. Okay. Can you give me water?
Yes, I can you water.
Give you water. हाँ मैं आपको पानी दे सकता हूँ। Okay. Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you solve this question?
Yes, I can solve this question.
Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I can speak English fluently.
Can you go there? क्या
Yes,
तुम जा सकते हो?
yes, I can go there.
Yes, I can go there. Okay. Can you give me 500 rupees?
Yes, I can give you 500 rupees.
Yes, I can give you 500 rupees. Correct answer. मैं आपको 500 रुपया दे सकता हूँ. Okay. Are you cooking food?
No, I am not cooking
No,
food.
I am not cooking food. मैं खाना नहीं बना रहा हूँ. Okay. Are you studying?
Yes, I am studying.
Yes, I am studying. Where are you?
I am at coaching.
What are you doing at coaching?
I am studying in coaching.
I am studying at coaching. Good. Okay. Where do you study coaching?
I study coaching at Virat Coaching Center, Gandhi.
Where is Virat Coaching Center?
Virat Coaching Center is situated Gunagarpatti Road.
गुनागरपट्टी वे। ओके गुनागरपट्टी रास्ते में है। वेरी गुड। ओके। डू यू ब्रेक चेयर?
No, I do not break chair.
नो आई डू नॉट ब्रेक चेयर। मैं कुर्सी नहीं तोड़ता हूँ। डू यू गो टू गार्डन टू कलेक्ट मैंगो?
Yes, I go to garden collect mango.
टू कलेक्ट मैंगो। हाँ मैं पूछा कि क्या तुम बगीचे में जाते हो आम गिनने के लिए? हाँ मैं बगीचे में जाता हूँ आम गिनने के लिए। करेक्ट आंसर। ओके। कैन यू टीच इंग्लिश?
Yes, I can teach English.
Can you pick up my mobile?
Yes, I can you pick up your mobile.
ओके मेरा मोबाइल उठा सकते हो। पिकअप का मतलब क्या होता है? उठा लेना। ओके। Whose pen fell down? किसका कलम गिरा है?
Kajal pen fell down.
Whose mobile have you taken?
I have taken my mother's mobile.
Okay. Do you operate mobile?
No, I do not operate mobile.
Do you play Free Fire?
No, I do not play Free
No,
Fire.
I do not play Free Fire. Okay. Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
When will you go to coaching?
I will go to coaching at 4 o'clock.
When will you return from coaching?
I will return from coaching at 6 o'clock.
With whom will you go to coaching?
I will go to coaching with Payal.
How will you go to coaching?
I will go to coaching on foot.
When have you come here?
I have come here for study.
For what have you come here?
I have come here.
When have you come here? तुम कब आए हो?
I have come here at 4 o'clock.
मैं 4 बजे आया हूँ। ओके मैं पूछा तुम कब आए हो? तो मैं 4 बजे आया हूँ। For what have you come here? तुम यहाँ क्या करने आए हो?
I have come here for study.
मैं यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ। फिर तुम have you come here? तुम किसके साथ यहाँ आए हो?
I have come here with my sister.
I have come here my sister with my sister. Good. Clap for you.